Hey everybody, it's Josh at the harbor, and today I have the privilege of taking you through a topic that comes up quite a bit: how to fold your Bimini on your Cobalt. So behind me I have an R6 with the folding tower and the folding Bimini, and we're going to show you how to do it. Sometimes it can be a little daunting when you first look at it, but after you understand how to do it, it's pretty easy. So this how-to video will apply to any Cobalt with the folding tower and the folding Bimini from 2017 to today. The aft supports for this Bimini are typically located in a storage area in the ski locker. Let's go ahead and get in there and do it. Bimini is deployed. You're going to first take out your back supports. A pro tip you want to remember is to keep a strong hold onto that because it doesn't float at all. All right, with that, you're going to remove the fabric holding down. And then take the back canvas and flip it right over to the front, removing it from the ski tower. And then nicely fold your canvas towards the forward bow. All right, now at this step, we're going to move the forward bow down into the storage position. You're going to remove your forward set arms. And at this point, the bow will be loose. Now I just take it one side at a time so I don't scratch the finish on the tower. And once I have them in, then you take your forward supports and you'll connect them into the storage eyes. There we go. Now you take your canvas, which is known as the Bimini boot, and you drape it over the entire forward tower and all of the canvas. Connect your zippers. Into the boot, zipping it to the center. And you're done. Thank you for watching this how-to video. If there's anything else that you'd like us to address in future videos, leave it in the comments below, and we'll see you later.